Dan ini bersama sahabat Areta ada di tiga,
Rokok
dua yang akan melihat cendet yang sangat licin sekali. Ini saya satu hari di daerah
eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like you more, the world may know, but don't be scared, 'cause I'm falling deeper, baby, be prepared. I like your shirt, I like your fingers, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite jacket just so I could always be near. I loved you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear, but after all this time, I hope you wait and say, love you every minute that we second. Love you everywhere in any moment, always and forever. I know I can't quit you, 'cause baby, you're the one. I don't know how, I love you till the last of snow.
pengambilan burung di dua. Insya Allah cendet ini cendet yang paling yang paling pintar yang pernah aku temui di daerah dua. Semoga ada bersama sahabat Areta dari dua.
I like the way you try so hard when you play ball with your friends. I like the way you hit the